Welcome to Michael's Backyard Marina. Today I'm in my basement, going to work on the Man Cave TV. That's right, not a boat. So, check out what my TV's doing. It's got a bad T-Con board. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Check out that noise. Look at all that red. Everywhere there's black, there's supposed to be red. Has to do with my video card, the T-Con board. I'm going to show you how to replace one of those if you ever have one of those happen to your TV. This is a Samsung. It's about 14 years old. I just won't let it die. Unlike these two guys. But I'm going to fix a TV. I can't fix a dead deer. First thing you got to do is remove all the screws out of the back. This is an easy one to forget right here. So is that one. Carefully lift off the back. Let's see if I got them all. These do have to come off. Couldn't remember. Got that one. There, the back is off. T-Con board is underneath this little cover right here. We'll do a little zoom in on it here. There's a metal plate there with really small screws, 4 really small screws. We've got to pull those off. Be careful not to mess this up right here. Then we'll pull this ribbon off and put 2 other ribbons, unhook those other 2 ribbons, and we'll put 2 new ribbons back on. Okay, got the 4 screws loosened up. Need to pull this pinch right there, pinch and pull straight back. Let that lay there. Then you want to take this, you got 4 loose screws right here. Just let them fall out onto the table here. And as you can see, there's your T-Con board. This is kind of a wrestling nightmare actually to put together. If I can see here, let me get you lined up. These little guys here flip up like that. Lets the ribbon go just like that. There, oops, you see here. I can get the light on it right. So you can see that little guy there. These little things here flip up and down. That's what traps the ribbon right there. Kind of hard to see, but that's the old T-Con board. Okay, folks, we got the new board laying in here. These little clips, when they pop down, when you've got that ribbon in there seated far enough, you should feel it snap. and pop into place. That's how you know you got a good bite and location. Now there's 2 locator tabs right here that this board will lay right into, and then this locates right on top of that as well. That puts everything back in position. Then I'm going to go ahead and put 2 of these screws in. To hold that in place. You don't have to get crazy about tightening them down. It's not like this is subject to a lot of vibration. Then you take your little ribbon cable here, line it back up again in that socket. Push it in till you hear the little things go click, and it's fully seated. Whoops. Let's make that perfect. I'll put the other little screws in. That's it. It's replaced. Now I'll do the reverse, put the back on, and we'll try it out.
Measures.
That's the beauty of it.
All right, there it is, folks. New T-Con board in. About a little over 22 bucks off eBay.
Then we'll catch the snake.
All my red's gone. You got some clear picture here. It's a beautiful thing.
Snake is toast.
Thank you for watching America's Favorite Redneck.